Hey, hello there. Alright, okay, so got a package straight from Mikoya Miyokinif or something like that. Anyway, hello Mikoya. From Medieval Extreme. I've been waiting 1 month for this. It got shipped like the day after I ordered it, which is always awesome. It's labelled on the customs as theatrical leather. It's actually, hopefully, a kidney belt or bollock bag, depending on who you are. Either a kidney bag or a bollock bag. I like the idea of a bollock bag because I've got a bollock knife, and it's to replace not this, not my chasser, but this, my early medieval bag here, which is nice. It's okay, and I'm looking for something a little bit fancier and maybe a little bit bigger. I don't know. I generally haven't a clue about the size. I'm sure they say on Medieval Extreme what the size of the bag is, but we're going to find out anyway. So let's get into this beauty. Heavily packaged, taped up. Got my little Ukraine label on there, which is always funky and cool. So let's see, I paid at how much did I pay for this? I know it was on sale because they had it in stock. So what, 140, 150? I'd have to double check. But there were loads of kidney bags, bollock bags available online from all sorts of retailers or Etsy craft shops. This though, from what I could tell, looked lovely, and we're going to find out. Let's hope, fingers crossed. Alright, okay. So yeah, I think this is going to be bigger. Look at that pretty thing. Alright, okay. That goes that there. That goes there. Oh, can I get in? Ah, packaging, that cellophane. Sorry, I don't want to use my knife anywhere near this now. We're getting there. It's described as theatrical leather on the import. Alright, that goes there. Ooh, hello. Hello, hello. Oh, it's probably just the invoice. Ooh, no. Alright. Ooh, cool. Alright, so we've got stickers and my little Ukrainian, what do you call that? Little ribbon there. And, ooh, yeah, I think there's quite a few of these little battling beavers and badgers and otters and whatever they are. They're all killing Russian bears, that's the main thing, aren't they? Yeah, Russian warship, go fuck yourself. Alright, okay, so let's have a look. I'm going to put my knife down there, put the little Ukrainian ribbon down. So, that's nice. All the leather feels good. Alright, okay, so let's see what we got here. Can we see that? The light's not fantastic. So, ooh, oh, that's nice. I tend to repeat myself, I think, when I'm excited about new little goodies, but open up the buckle. So it looks pretty thickly stitched with a leather cord on the back there. There's scoring and a little diamond pattern behind there. There's red leather behind here, which is lovely. And then, oh, there's that red leather. Little pocket in there. Okay. And then back. Oh. Ooh, alright, so second pocket, and then 3, 4, 5. These are the little bollocks, I think. I think it's called a kidney, because look at that kind of shape there. But yeah, we've got the little bollock bags right here. What can we do with them? Ooh, they need loosening up. I'm not going to do it now. But the main thing is, it's going to fit all of my, oh it does, all of my little goodies. Can them all fit in there? Lovely. Let's go try it on. Oh, excellent. Hey guys, alright, check it out. My new kidney bag or bollock bag. Talking of bollocks, here's my bollock dagger right there. Doesn't that look grand? Slide that back in. talking of fitting in, let's see what we can get in the bag. Open up the brass buckle there. First thing I see is prized from the crowns of the defeated kings on the battlefield, my jewellery box. Behind that, what else can I fit in that first pocket? My medieval knife there, they can go back. And then behind that pocket there, we have another set of pockets. And in here, I can fit in my fire starting kit to keep me warm on those cold winter nights. And then, oh, do you hear that? Bribery! Talking of bribery, I have a centre pocket here. If I fish in here, what have I got? Oh, coins for the mercenaries. And to the left, I've got my exotic spices. And to the right, my secret herbs. Now, don't ask about those. All right, well, this bag, I think, is going to do me just grand down at the next Renaissance fair, medieval market, or even where I hope to see all of you guys next, on the battlefield. But of course, till then, fare thee well, au revoir, bye-bye.